Hi guys. Apparently we're doing a date in Italy, I guess. Italia fans commence. And yes, my voice sounds more constipated because I'm sick. I had to stay home from school today now. Tomorrow I got a hell of a lot of work to do. Oh, by the way, I don't own this. This lovely person here owns it because I am just too poor to own anything, as you can tell. Oh, and yes, and this is on DeviantArt or whatever the hell it's called. Okay, let's play. Don't judge the accent. How relaxing. Taking this trip out to Italy was such a good idea. Perfect scenery, nice people, except Romano, but I love Romano anyway. I don't think I want to go home. Ah. Ciao! I can't do it, I just can't do the voice. Good afternoon, miss. How are you today? I'm not doing the Italian accent. I will attempt to do it. So lovely outside. Are you out here alone? I can't do it. Surely you have a boyfriend to keep you company. Italy, aren't you dating anyone? I thought you were dating Germany or Holy Rome. Okay, I got two options. I'm just gonna let you guys read it. Oh my god, Mia Bella. I think that means my love in Italian. I actually don't know. Ooh. I'm on vacation. Pasta. Of course you love pasta. Please tell me no. Oh, I've actually been here, because when I went to Italy a couple years ago. I'm surprised I didn't see him drinking that booze. But I guess not. Wink. Bro. Hasta la pasta, you jerks. Just kidding. Okay, that hair is just setting me off. What do you see? You got heart? X on the red hair, or whatever the hell it's called. Bro, the music. Just the music. Oh my god, just the music. Oh my god, I love fettuccine alfredo. Yes, it's amazing. Honestly, if this is me on a date, I just literally just go out and die. Food. Eating food. Oh, this is in Venice. Guys, we're in Venice now, apparently. Technically we are learning. Okay, whatever. I hate boats, but okay. Bro. Bro, just the eyes. Okay, whatever. What? What happened to the pole? I mean, like, it's only a game. Whatever. Okay, that's fine. You kissed the screen. Boy, you kissed the screen. Bro. Bro, okay. You think my computer screen's a great kiss. Yeah, kiss her. boy. Let's play another game. Let's play another game. This girl right here, this amazing, awesome person who blessed us with this interactive Romano, a flash game. I don't own this. I don't own anything. Oh shit, oh shit. He mad, he triggered. Okay, let's hop from his official chance here. Bro. Ooh, rejected. Oh, poor baby. Oh, this poor kid. I feel so bad. Oh, oof. Oh, you see that smile? You see that smile there? Bro, you see that smile? Is there anything else I can do? Like I've done. Okay, let's see what happens when you get mad. Oh torture blanket. Oh god. I don't own this. This amazing Nakam Oki person owns this. I have played this before, by the way, so I'm gonna do something really funny. Wait for it. Poor baby. What? Germania, that you? Bro. Yeah, I want to slap him again. It's so funny. I'm sorry, Holy Roll. Wait, I wonder what happens. Oh damn! I'm like, shave off the beard. Then I can kind of like you. Okay, that's kind of creepy. Calm down. Okay. Now let me waste your other time by playing more flash games that you'll find no educational purposes to. I don't own this game. This amazing person she graced us. She graced us today. I don't own anything, so I mean, like, you'll have to Google it. Oh, Russia. Oh, you love sunflowers, don't you? There you go. Oh, so adorable. Okay, you're sad again. Oh, shit. Just kidding, honey. Just kidding. Oh, he's blushing. The creepy psychopath is blushing. Oh, he's blushing more. I wonder what's gonna. Okay, I haven't played this one before. What's gonna happen if I take Magic Mental Pipe of Pain? Estonia, your face. Oh my god, his face. And this is why you don't touch Russia's scarf or trying to take Belarus or the Baltics. Let's do it again. I actually want to do it again. I actually want. Magic Metal Pipe of Pain! Oh my god. And so this is why you do not touch Russia's scarf, Romano's hair thingy. Pretty much don't do any of this crap. Oh, and I don't own this, and I don't really want to Control-C, Control-V anything, so you're gonna have to, like, Google Hetalia Interactive Games on DeviantArt, so, like, yeah, and I disclaimed everything. Oh, and if you guys don't appreciate how I disclaimed it, I don't own anything! So don't copyright me! And yes, my voice sounds so frickin' scratchy. Goodbye.